If you have multiple WhatsApp business numbers and all of them are banned by WhatsApp, or one by one they are gradually getting banned, the video for today is going to be interesting because I'm going to give you an idea through which you could get all your banned WhatsApp for business account numbers unbanned. Having multiple business accounts with WhatsApp is actually not a problem. 2, 3, 4 accounts, 5 accounts, 6 accounts, no problem. As long as you are using these accounts genuinely, you're not spamming, you're not scamming, you're not going against their terms and conditions, basically, you are never ever going to get banned. But unfortunately, if all of your WhatsApp accounts for all these businesses are getting banned, this is what you actually need to do. Communicate with WhatsApp and ask them to help you on the issue. I see a lot of comments, or I have come across a lot of posts online and even videos telling you that WhatsApp is not going to help you, this, that. That's all rubbish, okay? There are humans in WhatsApp that actually do a review when you send them a communication. Obviously, they are not accepting emails. As of now, they have, I think, changed their policies, but you can communicate with them through their official website. So what you could do is get onto whatsapp.com. This is the website, and you scroll right down. Here, you're going to see an option to contact them. Click on Contact Us, and then under WhatsApp Support, click on Contact Us again. You're going to get directed to this page. You scroll down. You put in your phone number according to your country code that was banned on WhatsApp. Okay, now, obviously, you have a question in your mind. You have multiple accounts, and you want all your accounts to be unbanned. Okay, so for each WhatsApp business numbers, you send in separate requests. Don't put in one number out here. Put in your email address, confirm it, answer this question, and put in a message. And in the message, don't put in all your WhatsApp numbers. Okay, just send in a request for one WhatsApp number first. After you send in a request, then go ahead and send in a request for the second, then for the third, then for the fourth, so on and so forth. I'm sure you get it, right? And when you are sending these messages to WhatsApp, please do not go ahead and send them like one after the other. Send the second message after some time. Say, for example, you send the first message for the first blocked WhatsApp number or banned WhatsApp number right now. Okay. You put in your email address, send the message, and you click on next step and send it. Okay. Then wait for 5 minutes. Then you send the second request for the second number that was banned. All right. You fill in all the details, then click on next step and then send it. Then wait for 10 minutes. Okay. Send the message. Then for the next number, wait for half an hour. Then for the next number, wait for again 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So, keep that time frame haphazard. Don't keep it continuous. I'm sure you get it, right? By doing that, WhatsApp is going to go ahead and actually focus on the accounts individually, as compared to if you send them a message and tell them that, hey, I had all these numbers, you banned all my numbers for no reason. You are never ever going to be unbanned, or your WhatsApp for business numbers are never ever going to be unbanned. Okay, and I have made a specific video dedicated to how you could communicate with WhatsApp when you are banned. Okay, it could be WhatsApp for business or your normal WhatsApp account, doesn't matter. You could watch this video of mine and learn how to communicate with them. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.